In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Apple Calendar background color. On iPhone and iPad, Apple does not let you change the overall background of the Calendar app, but you can change the color of each calendar so your events stand out more clearly. Now open the Calendar app on your device. You will land on either the day, week, month, or list view, depending on what you last used. At the top, you should see the current month and date, and at the bottom, you will see a row of options such as Today and Inbox. If you do not see any events yet, that is fine. This change will still work and will show on future events you add. Once Calendar is open, tap Calendars at the bottom of the screen. This opens a panel that slides up from the bottom showing all your calendars. You might see sections like iCloud, On My iPhone, or accounts such as work or school calendars. Each calendar name should already have a small colored circle next to it, which is the current color used for its events in the main views. From there, find the calendar you want to change. Scroll the list up or down if you have many calendars, such as personal, work, family, or shared ones. Take a moment to read the names so you do not change the wrong calendar by mistake. If you pick the wrong one, you can always repeat these steps and adjust it again later. Once you have located the right calendar, tap the Info button next to it. The Info button looks like a small letter I inside a circle. This opens the settings page for that single calendar. On this screen, you can see the calendar name, whether alerts are allowed, and most importantly, you will see the current color option with a colored dot. Beginners often miss that they must tap directly on the calendar name row with the info icon, not on the colored dot in the list. Next up, choose a color. On the color screen, you will see several preset color options, each shown as a dot with a label if available. Tap one of these colors to select it. As soon as you tap, a check mark appears on that color, and the preview dot at the top updates. This change applies immediately to all events that belong to this calendar in every view, past and future, so you can quickly see how it affects your schedule. After that, tap Done. The Done button is usually in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping it takes you back to the calendar list, where you will now see the new color circle next to that calendar name. Tap Done again on the calendar list to return to your main calendar view, and you will notice that all events from that calendar now show in the color you picked. You have just customized the color for a calendar so its events stand out in Apple Calendar on your device. If this helped you get your schedule looking clearer, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Apple tips.